Finding articles by periodical title. The library subscribes to many different databases that each provide access to different journals, magazines, and newspapers, also known as periodicals. Rather than opening each of these databases and then searching each database by the title of the periodical you are looking for, use our ePeriodical title list. This is a tool that will allow you to type in the name of a periodical and then will tell you if the library has access to that periodical, and if so, which database provides access. Open the ePeriodical title list from the library homepage listed under Research Help. With the tool open, notice that there are a few different options for using the search box, and there is an option to view all of our periodicals by the subject that you are interested in. When looking for a specific periodical title, simply type in the title of the periodical that you are looking for. Be very careful to type in the exact periodical title with no spelling errors. The tool will only look for exactly what you enter, so if there is a wrong or a misspelled word, it will not find anything. With the title carefully typed in, click Search. If we do not have access to the periodical, you will see a message that says 0 records retrieved. If we do have access, you will see a list of titles and information on where they can be accessed. For example, for the periodical titled Journal of Applied Psychology, we have 2 databases that offer different levels of access. PsycArticles has access from 1917 to present, and Business Source provides access from February 1st, 1987 to July 31st, 2006. Click on the database that provides the most access or the one that meets your needs. Here is another example. In this case, the library also has access to this periodical through 2 databases, but they both have the same exact access. Both databases provide access from August 1st, 1993 to 1 year ago. This is called an embargo and means that the articles from any issue from the past year are not available. In this case, click on either database since they both offer the same access. If you are off campus, you will need to log in with your student ID and PIN before the database will open. This is because access to these expensive published materials is restricted to current student, staff, and faculty. In most cases, and in this example, the database will open with the publication's detail page. From here, you can see more details about the periodical. You can search by keyword within this publication by clicking here, or you can browse the articles in each issue using the listed years. Click on a year to expand the list of issues that were published that year. Remember that this periodical has an embargo on the past year, so we will want to click on older issues. If we click on a more recent issue from the past year, we can view a list of articles, but we will not be able to view the PDF full text to actually read them. Click on an issue to view a list of articles within that issue. When you find an article that looks interesting, click on the title to view the detailed information about that article, including the authors, publication information, and abstract or summary. Click on PDF full text to read the article. Remember to capture the article once you have it by emailing it to yourself or printing it out, and also citing it.